In this video, bigger than I thought, Grillmeister. Hey, what we got in here? They look cool. Oh, precision screwdriver set. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it all is. Look at that. Cordless jet washer. Oh, about 9.7. More organisers and timber care. Just ignite something. This is my Parkside grabbable tool collection. I say grabbable, but small. Grab them in a hurry. They're all battery powered. Well, except for that one, the small glue gun. Some are 4 volt, some are 12 volt, some are 9 volt, but generally did it. Cordless nailer stapler, electrician screwdriver, gas soldering iron, precision screwdriver, and a load of other stuff. Now, the one thing I'm missing, I've got this, which is the cordless blower. It's an attachment you put on the end, more for igniting barbecues, but I haven't got a sucker. Until now, cordless vacuum and blower, they're on offer at B&M. Should be 15, they're now £7.50. Let's unbox it and give it a bash. Not Parkside, but I don't think they do a vacuum. Did you one anyway? Oh, and there's another bargain I found you don't want to miss, and something else from Lidl. The tool drop happens tomorrow, the 16th of April, Thursday, at Lidl. Loads of Parkside tools, so watch out for that. So, fellow sheddies and tool lovers, to stop the waffle, get on with it. Hello, sheddies, and join me again in my shed. So I thought I'd have a wander around B&M. You never know what sort of deals you can find, and I always find that the larger yellow labels are the deals that are going on. And they do quite a good selection of DIY and tools. And there we go, first big yellow label, the screen wash for £3.75. They've got a huge selection of toolboxes, always on the top shelf, so worth looking up. Stanley brand here, and if you notice, £7 reduced to a pack of drill bits. And as always, put your comments below of tools that you've used from B&M or any tools you see in this video. It helps me and others. Next, reduced to £7.50, this screwdriver bit set by Rolson. And another grabbable tool here, look, for £7, reduced to a precision screwdriver set, again by Rolson, normally 14 quid. And these organisers, brilliant, I've had them before. £3.99 and the smaller one for £3. I don't think you can go wrong. Rolson power tools here, as we expect to find, jigsaws, drills, and then this cordless screwdriver here there for 20 quid, nice grabbable. More organisers and toolboxes on the top shelf, and then look at this for 50p. Reduced from £1, Grab Adhesive by Stanley, and it is in date. I bought some, I'll show you in this video. Just think it's always worth looking in B&M before you go to the big DIY stores. Buckets, big buckets, and then back to Stanley. There's a saw here, reduced to £7.99, another yellow big label. And then I came across it by Autotech, the 2-in-1 cordless cylinder vacuum cleaner and blower. And look at the attachments on that. Next by RAC is this boot organizer for a tenner, reduced from 11, but every pound helps. And RAC are doing a 21 volt cordless jet washer. 35 quid. I wonder how that compares to the Parkside one. And of course, in B&M, loads of paint, including this Spear & Jackson Timber Care for 6 quid, different colours, and creosote for 14 quid. Decking stain, more Timber Care, the bigger tubs, and we've got Cuprinol. There's Ron Seal in there. There's everything you could possibly want to paint your house, walls, sheds, fences. And for painting your sheds or fences in brighter colours, there's these Johnston's Garden Colour range. 10 litres of masonry paint by Spear & Jackson for 22 quid. That's not bad, is it? And for painting the walls in your house, got Silk here for 20 quid. Matte emulsion there for 17. These are all 10 litre. And then for 16, oh, that was the Magnolia. 16 for the brilliant white. And have a look at this for £2.50. Reduced from £5, insulation for your outside tap. Good idea. And if you're interested, some bistro sets, 2 chairs and a table, different styles for 50 quid. And then for 300 quid is this large seating set with umbrella for your back garden. Anyway, back to the shed. So first of all, reduced from £15 to £7.49. Vacuum and blower. And I saw that and I thought, ooh, that's a bit weird. But then I saw the attachments. But let's see how powerful it is. By Autotech, multifunctional for car and home. Filter and dust bin. 15-minute usage time, approx. Inflate, deflate feature. And USB charging, the USB-C. Right, let's open it up. Here it is. All the attachments. Ah, that's the inflator, look. Blowing up air beds and paddling pools and the like. Lilos. Attachment. The brush that you can, clip. Oh, down. Move up and down as necessary with the brush. USB to USB-C lead. and that. And here it is. Bigger than I thought. Plastic, of course, no rubber on it. I might put my own on there for nice grippages and droppages. So on and off button, let's get this tape off. It's a nice colour, isn't it? But it is definitely just plastic. Air vent, I presume. And there's where the adapters go. Right, activate. Ooh. Yeah, it feels fairly powerful. Right, stick something in there. Put you in there first. I thought it'd be quite good for around the workbench, rather than getting the big vac out, just grab this and go. Clicks on and off. Really wants to, push it a little bit, and it stops and then activates. So just touching it and then turning it off completely. Right, let's get some dust. Oh, here's the instructions. So number 2 is the dust bin. Crevice with brush. Inflate socket showing at the back. So obviously we just got to plug him on there. Like that. And then we've got air coming out there if we just have something to plug that into, or just put the inflator bit on there. Lilos and such like. Great for taking a holiday, wouldn't you say? 6 is the charge indicator. Oh, just there. Must light up when it's on charge. And there's the USB-C port. They call this bit the soft seal nozzle. Small inflator. 12 is the vacuum pump socket. There. Let's have a quick look. Ah, yeah. You must take that off to blow. It gives it more power, having that off. There's the filter, look. Look at that diddy thing. Pops into there. Clean it out as necessary. Back in. Stick him on. Twist. Locked in. Oh, that's the soft seal nozzle. I think there's some things you can blow up with this. Cleaning keyboards. Oh, yeah, vacuum bag as well. For putting your summer clothes away. Bag and then suck all the air out of it. Inflate swimming rings, cleaning your car, sofa cleaning, gap cleaning. It shows which combination to put the pump adapters on. Ah, okay, got it. If we're sucking the air out of something like a vacuum bag, we take the filter off and then we can plug them adapters in. I like it. Right, let's get some dust. A 20-volt cordless vacuum here from Parkside. What we got in here? Yeah, that'll do. Bit of a mixture of fine and coarse. Bit of a disposable glove in here. Let's try that out. And activate. Oh, blowing it everywhere. Let's take that off. Pull the brush back and go. Oh, look at that. Bit of rubber glove. Are you going to get trapped? No. Oh, yeah. I mean, you want to do loads of it. But for crevices and whatever. Nice. Like it. I've got my belt sander here. Let's try the brush. Oh, yeah. That's what we like. All the little cracks, crevices, bits we can't get to. Which is better than using an air compressor, of course. We don't want it airborne. And because of that thin bit, you can get right into the small gaps. Not bad, is it? £7.50. Right, let's take that off. Let's try and blow up my lilo. Right. Instead of blowing the whole thing up, I'll just inflate the head part, the backrest. Let's take this end off first with the filter in. Has it caught it all in there? So a look. Oh, there it all is. Lovely. Get that adapter on. Let's shove him in the hole there. I think you're in. Activate. Oh, it's going up. Right, I'll put you on time lapse. I'll tell you how long it took. So the back support took about 3 minutes, so the whole lilo will probably take, what, 6-7 minutes, something like that. Of course, to deflate, we just take that adapter and plug it in the other end. Right, it's about there. There's all the dust that came out of it. Filter's doing its job. Nothing got through to here. Oh, I nearly forgot. Let's use this anemometer. Great, these are. Got it from Amazon. I'll put a link below. Tells you the temperature as well. Right, it's on meters per second. Get right on there. Ooh, about 9.7. And blow. 10. I want to try something I saw ages ago. See if it works. Let's say you've got loads of bits of wood and you want to store it or wrap it up. Get a bin bag. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. It's going to be airtight. I suppose you could use anything really. I'm going to store away. Shove these bits of wood in the bag. Close it up a bit. Look at that, straight away. Use it with any vacuum. Right, suck in it. I suppose twist it. And it's held it in place. Well, almost. A bit more trial and error involved. I'm letting the air in now, though, but you get the idea. So £7.50. I might put some rubber over here, some sticky rubber for nice grippages. But I'm pleased with that. Good for the workshop, shed, garage, home, car. Take on holiday with you. Next. And like I said, I'm going to make a rack for all these grabbables on my tool wall with little charging docks. I think that'll be a nice addition. And also this that I picked up from Lidl. Let's have a look. So from their barbecue range, Grillmeister, jet flame lighter, which of course can be used for anything we want to burn or heat up. £2.99, 3-year warranty. Ideal for barbecues, fireplaces, campfires. Comes with a refill canister. Let's have a look. Grabbable cutter. Lovely. Here it is. Use any sort of lighter refill canister though. Instructions, regulator for the gas there. I've got a lock and then on. Where's the trigger to? Oh, it's there. Ho, 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 ho. Not a huge flame, of course, but enough for when we need it. Feels good in the hand, easy to use. Again, keep it on the tool wall and just grab it quickly. Let's increase. There we go. Full power. And then to refill it, take him off, shove him in there. As usual, nice design, good fit in the hand. Say if we need to heat something up in a hurry or just ignite something. Got a log burner in the shed or workshop or garage or just lighting your barbecue. Nice. Next, keeping with the grab theme, general purpose grab adhesive. Made by Stanley, 50p each. So of course I grabbed a couple, should have grabbed more really. Expiry date, May next year. We've used these before, but I can imagine Stanley being good. High strength, quick drying, interior use only. Good advice there. Dusty surfaces should be primed with 1 part PVA and 5 parts water and then left to dry, or SBR I suppose. 280ml. Just thought I'd tell you about them. Grab them while you can. Next, and on the theme of grabbables, bought these a while ago and I forgot to show them you. From Parkside, gas welding safety glasses. 2 styles, and these are only £2.99 as well. Got the goggle type there and the spectacle ones. Temple length can be adjusted to fit any face shape. Flip up welding safety goggles with clear safety glasses underneath. Indirect ventilation prevents the lenses from fogging. Adjustable head strap and soft rubber padding for a secure and comfortable fit. Right, let's have a look at them. I don't think these are still out actually, but they'll be back, I'm sure. Oh, look at those. They look cool. There you go, clear safety glasses underneath. And then pop them down when you need to start welding. These little ventilation ports at the top there, look. One at the bottom, 4 of them. Rubber seal to your face, elastic cord, adjustable. They're not bad, are they? For the money, £2.99, hinged on top. See through the lenses there. Igniter. There we are. And the spectacles. Let's have a look. Hey, super cool. Adjustable temples. There we are, in and out, depending on what size face you've got. Plastic, of course. On the inside, though, they've got this green rubber. Nice comfort. Little bit flimsy, but I'm sure they'll do the job. £2.99. Nice. Hello. So that's them. I do prefer these. Next. And of course, a reminder, the tool drop comes out tomorrow, the Thursday, the 16th of April. All sorts in there. Very cheap drill, charger and battery, 20 quid. Tool stand for your miter saw, files. Shown all this already. There's a nice grabbable with a little docking station, 10 quid for the work light. So like I say, I've showed this already. Who's off to Lidl tomorrow? Next, I've got one more of these left. For the giveaway, the tool inspection set, mirror and pickup tool, and of course the sticker. Tool lover. If you want to be entered, just put I'm in below, anything you like after it, or just I'm in on its own, and I'll pick a winner at random in another video. I never announce it in the comments or tell you in the comments or let you know in any way. I only announce it in another video. Any thoughts, opinions, tool experiences, whatever, stick them below. Let's do the results for the last giveaway. So as usual, I used a random comment picker on the Tinternet, and this time the winner is Richard Whittaker 936. Send me an email, it's in the description below. Well done. As always, a huge thanks for watching. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing? It's free. I've got loads more videos on my channel and loads more to come. I'll put a link on the screen now to a video that might be of interest to you. Or if you give me a thumbs up, really helps me out. Cheers. Take care, and remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers.
See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.